Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find Programming Language Tutorials section. In Programming Language Tutorials section, if you scroll to the right side, you find Python Tutorials playlist. If you click on View Full Playlist, you find all my Python tutorials where I am explaining Python in depth and step by step, guys. From this video onwards, for the next few video tutorials, we are going to discuss control statements in Python, guys. In this video, we have a brief introduction to control statements. In Python, control statements help us to get the control over flow of execution of code. Control statements help us to get the control over flow of execution of a code, guys. Remember, we can solve any real-world problem by writing a program containing 4 types of programming language statements. They are sequential statements, conditional statements, control transfer statements, and iterative statements. We can solve any real-world problem by writing a program containing 4 types of programming language statements. They are sequential statements, conditional statements, control transfer statements, and iterative statements. What are sequential statements? Sequential statements are statements which do not break the normal flow of execution, guys. And remember, normal flow of execution is sequential. Here, first A equal to 10 is executed, then B equal to 20 is executed, then C equal to A plus B is executed. You can see the statements are executed from top to down sequentially, guys. Such statements are called sequential statements. They don't break the normal flow of execution, guys. Whereas conditional, control transfer, and iterative statements are considered as control statements in Python. Control statements help us to get the control over flow of execution of code, guys. There are 3 types of control statements: conditional statements, looping statements, and jumping statements. Conditional statements are also called selection statements. Looping statements are also called iterative statements. Jumping statements are also called control transfer statements. Conditional or selection statements execute code based on the result of a condition. For example, you want to execute set of statements based on the result of a condition. Then you take help of conditional or selection statements. For example, if else, else if ladder, match case are considered as conditional or selection statements in Python, guys. Looping or iterative statements execute set of statements repeatedly. If you want to execute set of statements repeatedly and again, then you take help of looping or iterative statements like for loop, while loop, guys. Jumping or control transfer statements directly transfer the control from one place to another place. If you want to transfer the control from one place to another place in the code directly, then you take help of jumping or control transfer statements like break, continue, pass, etc., guys. So that is about the control statements in Python. Remember, control statements help us to get the control over flow of execution of code. Conditional or selection statements, control transfer or jumping statements, iterative or looping statements help us to get the control over flow of execution of code, guys. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, guys. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to discuss each of these control statements in detail, in depth, step by step with examples. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.